सो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू अदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम नहीं, मेरे साथ एक और फ्रेंड है, एक पूरा पॉडकास्ट शूट किया। उस पॉडकास्ट में जाके तुम देखो कि कॉलेज लाइफ कैसी होती है। 3 साल में हमारे जो एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं वो हमने शेयर करने की कोशिश की है। ये पूरा पॉडकास्ट जो है IIT सेक करके एक यूट्यूब चैनल है, मैं टैग कर दूंगा, जाके उनको भी देख सकते हो। उन पर कौन का कंटेंट अच्छा है, मैं ही था। TSEC के जितने भी फ्रेशर्स वाले वीडियो वगैरह होते हैं वो वही बनाते हैं, तो वो चैनल चेकआउट कर लेना। दैट इज इट फ्रॉम माई एंड। आगे वीडियो देख लो।
You know, it's also said that you are an average of the 5 people you spend the most time with.
Sleep is the most overrated thing of this entire generation.
Is it really possible to pass exams with a few days of preparation?
Hello, all. We welcome you all to the second episode of In a Nutshell. I am Tarang,
And I'm Shrutik.
and we are your today's host,
In this episode, we will be talking about college life.
College Life.
College.
So, Shrutik, how was the first day at college?
Well, I remember catching a very crowded Mumbai local when I had zero experience of traveling. I was very shy. I came here, I tried to make friends, interacted with people. What about you? How was your first day?
Even I was an introvert at start, but then came the physics faculty, scaring us till death, telling us about कि back नहीं लगनी चाहिए, तो फिर placement में issues आता है, and then about those endless semesters and that.
So, how do you overall describe your college life?
Why not we ask our today's guests?
Oh, that's right.
Hello everyone. In today's episode, we have Ayush Singh, who is the co-founder of a startup called FinURL, and we have Shreya Kamath, who has recently got an internship at Colgate. They are IT's chairperson and vice chairperson. So congratulations, Shreya.
Thank you.
So, let's start from the very beginning. How did you manage the transition from school to college since both are very different?
See, for us, if you say school to college, there was 11, 12th in the middle, obviously. But for our batch, so I'm from third year IT, right? So for our batch, 11th and 12th, most of it was COVID. So we barely went to college for a few months, and college as well. It means that most people of my batch had integrated, right? So it was like after school we got a break for 2 years of sorts, online education, and then we started college. So I think the transition wasn't really smooth as such, school to college. We had sufficient time to, change stuff. So it wasn't really a very different thing for me as such.
It was a very different thing for me because I was a dropper. I went to school, I went to college, I was in an affiliate program, integrated college wala system. So I went to college, but it was not college, but it was more JE focused. But yeah, somehow I took a drop and landed in TSEC. And yeah, we are both in third year IT. So, but the same process goes on. It was not smooth because when you're preparing for a competitive exam for CET, JE, or any exam, so you come in a nutshell. That's what the whole podcast theme is, in a nutshell.
So many students are often confused when they come to college about their academics and stuffs. So what would you guys give? Like, what would be an ideal college roadmap that you would give us or to the freshers?
So you want a roadmap just for the academics part, or
Overall stuff.
Okay, so when you're a fresher, it's in an engineering college. There's a lot of things happening at the start. First 2 months, you might feel overwhelmed by the number of things. There are events. You see so many seniors doing stuff, and plus there's also a lot of academic pressure. Like for our batch, our first semester was 2 months long because of COVID. We were delayed.
3 months long.
Yeah, exactly. So, for academics, I would say there are a lot of YouTube channels and resources. You can network with seniors and get to know how to get started. Like for first semester, as far as I remember, BEE and mechanics are the major subjects that you need to get a hold of. Then you have maths, which is going to continue till the fourth semester, and that's the worst subject. I think we can all agree. So academically, when you network with people, seniors especially, you get to know how to go about stuff. You can find a lot of resources on the internet. Other than that, if you want advice just for your college life, I would say in your first year, you should explore and enjoy stuff a lot. You know, many people after CET JEE, like Ayush said, you're in a nutshell where you're only focusing on making it to a good college, right? So I think that when you come to college, you have a very tight look कि सिर्फ academics पे focus करना है. I would say don't do that because these 4 years are very important for developing your soft skills as well, which are more important in your life later on. So I would say सिर्फ academics पे focus नहीं करना चाहिए. बहुत सारी दूसरी चीजें भी हैं on which you can work on.
You said an ideal roadmap. There's no ideal roadmap because there are different kinds of student. Everyone has their different fortes, interest, and yeah, I totally agree. Everyone should explore in their first year without taking a lot of academic pressure because there's not a lot of studies happening in engineering as such. तुम पढ़ाई करके easily you can score 8, 8.5, 9 pointer. It's just that you will have to connect with some seniors, good seniors, with similar mindset, and have a good group of friends in general that are going to help you to thrive this whole 4 year journey.
Yeah, right. That's what my question was. Ki, how important is it to have a good influential circle? Because there are many people who will misguide you. So how does a good influential circle affects you as an individual?
I feel the saying of tell me your friends and I'll tell you your future is the right thing. I feel it is very rightly said because your friends are going to influence you in every manner. The group of friends or the group of people you hang out with decides what you are going to think in your future. And in general, that is something that we all know that happens. Find a balance in between. You should have fun because these 4 years are not going to come back at all. And as we are in third year, we know how much pressure we have of internships, of jobs, placements, and we know 2024 batch recession. So eventually, you'll realize that first year was the most fun or joyful year of your entire college life.
Plus, you're going to have group projects a lot going ahead in your engineering. So if you have a good circle for that, जिनके साथ तुम मजा भी कर सकते हो, but at the same time you're able to get work done, then it's a very good thing because it's also said that you are an average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And for the next 4 years, you're going to spend the most time in college or dealing with things from college. So it's really good if you can find a friend circle that fits you perfectly for that.
You might have seen that there are many students who wish they could pay their college fees by their own. Yeah, we all have thought that once. So how can one do that rather than depending on our families? How can one achieve that?
See, if you wish to pay your own fees, first of all, it depends what college you're going to. Because some colleges have really high fees, which are very difficult for an 18-year-old to manage on their own. But there are certain things that can give you a reduction in fees. Like there are some government grants that provide you that, or you can do internships. You can work part time if it's feasible for you to gain some money and pay that off by yourself. Then there are also scholarships. Mumbai University
right.
offers a lot of scholarships for women, for underprivileged people. So if you're able to get through that, if you fit in any criteria, then that can also help.
I feel before thinking of making money, you should think of developing a skill that is eventually going to make money for you in your future. Rather than focusing on paying college bills for now, focus on getting acquainted to new skills, and eventually, by the end of 4 years, you'll realize you have soft skills, hard skills that are equally required in the current market. You're job fit, you can have your own startup, you can do whatever you want to, but at the same time the passion for learning should never fade away, because as soon as your passion for learning fades away, eventually you will go down and you'll realize that you were having a kind of knowledge, and then eventually you bursted everything. So the point here is gain knowledge, develop skills, gain knowledge continuously. So it is a past, present, continuous tense.
So coming to our next question, what are your thoughts on societies and clubs and how do they enhance your overall experience in our college. As we know, Ayush Singh, chairperson of IIT TSEC, and Shreya Kamath, vice chairperson of IIT, such high level positions. So please enlighten us.
So about committees and clubs, like I said in my earlier answers also, I consider that developing your communication skills and networking is very important in your college life. So societies, communities, or clubs, they are the best way to actually develop these skills because you have to give an interview, you get into the committee you want, you will be doing work that you like because you volunteered for it. You will get in touch with seniors. You will learn how a hierarchical structure or a teamwork group, how it works basically. So I think in my view there are a lot of benefits of joining committees. Obviously a major con is that time management will be difficult because you'll have work. But I think that's what you learn in college, right? Time management, again, it's another skill that's going to be useful for you ahead in your life. So I think joining societies is a very good thing overall in college.
So I was assistant marketing head at this committee. So assistant marketing head से I learned a lot कि पहले टीम कैसे मैनेज करनी है क्योंकि I had JComs with me working. So उनको कैसे मैनेज करना है, फुल कमिटी से कैसे काम करवाना है, जैसी डील्स होती है, स्पॉन्सरशिप्स होती है, उनको नेगोशिएट कैसे करना है, and a lot of things, how to manage money, everything. So basically committee join करने से I knew what are public relations, what is publicity, what is marketing. So eventually it helps me in my startup as well. मुझे digital marketing आ गया, मुझे पता है कि how to scale. I know a lot of things now because of IET. I started watching a lot of things and we know हम cricket tournaments करवाते हैं, हम IPL auction करवाते हैं, हाउस एट करवाते हैं. सो हाउस एट वगैरह के फिर क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट कैसे मैनेज करना है, प्राइज मनी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसा होना चाहिए. यू लर्न अ लॉट. दीज आर सम ऑफ द छोटी मोटी थिंग्स जो मैं अभी बोल पा रहा हूँ, जो भी दिमाग में आ रही है, बट इवेंचुअली यू लर्न अ लॉट.
Adding to his points, committees or clubs are the best way to push yourself. Like he said, ये college में आके extrovert बन गया, seniors से मिला. So that happened for me. How I used to be a very introverted person. So I was assistant publicity head last year. So taking publicity itself was way out of my comfort zone. Leave aside making assistant publicity head and managing the team. So at the start, it can be overwhelming, but once you start getting used to it, it turns out to be a very rewarding experience in general. So yeah.
We can both totally relate to everything, the process. Okay, so let's now talk about a very widely known myth. Is it really possible to pass exams with a few days of preparation?
It is possible to pass.
100%.
It's possible to pass for sure. If you're aiming for a very good pointer, then you need better preparation. But pass तो हो सकता है.
हाँ, पास तो तुम हो जाओगे. तुमको थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्स वगैरह में देखना पड़ेगा, यूनिट टेस्ट वगैरह में निकालना पड़ेगा, बट पास तो इजीली हो जाओगे अगर तुम एक रात पहले भी ढंग से पढ़ रहे हो तो.
अच्छा, तो अगर स्कोर करना है तो कब से पढ़ना चाहिए फिर?
मेरा सिंपल एडवाइस होता है, जिनको भी अगर 9 पॉइंटर या 8.5 प्लस स्कोर करना है अच्छे से, तो यूनिट टेस्ट 1 आता है तुम्हारा, यूनिट टेस्ट 1 के लिए पढ़ो, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 आता है, यूनिट टेस्ट 2 के लिए पढ़ो. एग्जाम के पहले 10 दिन के पहले उनको रिवाइज करो, एंड जैसे तुम्हारी एग्जाम क्लोज आती रहेगी तुम इवेंचुअली अपने स्टडी पैटर्न के हिसाब से यू कैन गो अहेड. और फिर प्रैक्टिकल्स भी सिमिलर तरीके से हो जाता है.
एग्जाम के वाले 10 दिन स्टडी लीव भी रहता है यूजुअली. सो उसको बस वेस्ट नहीं करो.
Now, coming on to our next question. If you could go back to your first day, what advice would you give to yourself?
First day in college.
Yeah.
I would tell first year Shreya to stop being scared in a way of meeting people, of doing newer things, trying new things out, to stop being scared of embarrassment in general. But I think that worked out well for me. Now I'm not so scared.
The first advice and the last advice I would like to give my first day Ayush is don't be scared to be judged by people. जजमेंटल लोग हैं, जजमेंटल लोग रहेंगे, तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. किसी को मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल में भी अच्छा लगता हो कि मैं यूट्यूब चैनल चलाता हूँ, कुछ बोले कि अरे इंजीनियरिंग नहीं हो रही तो यूट्यूब कर रहा है, पर्सपेक्टिव. तो डोंट बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ बीइंग जज्ड.
At the end of the day, you should be happy with what you're doing. That's the most important.
अच्छा, it is universally said that engineering equals pressure. काफी movies में भी हमने देखा है, थ्री इडियट्स या फिर कुछ भी. तो how does one handle that pressure and how do you manage your time?
There is no strict formula for managing time because a lot of the times engineering में there are things that come up last moment. Assignment submit करना है, committee का काम करना है, कुछ और करना है. It
सब एक
is
साथ
always
pile up हो
last
जाता है.
minute. उसी दिन पे meetings आ जाते हैं या काम करना रहता है. So it's more of just pushing through it and getting your job done. The most you can do is create a list for the day, prioritize what you want to finish first, what you can leave for a little later at night. So it comes down to that. But in the long run, it's really just pushing through the pressure. Like you said, engineering is equal to pressure. One of the reasons why engineers are valued so much in the world is because for the 4 years we deal with a lot of pressure. We deal with whatever is thrown at us. So even companies and recruiters know that we can handle the stress.
आई डोंट टेक प्रेशर. मैं सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज बताता हूँ. तुम्हारी 11th 12th में तुम जितना प्रेशर हैंडल करोगे ना, बीट फ्रॉम फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, इट इज गोइंग टू मेक यू वेरी मच स्ट्रोंगर. यू आर गोइंग टू कम आउट एज अ वुल्फ दैट इज हंग्री टू ग्रैब न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. जस्ट डोंट लेट दैट हंगर डाई इन यू. तुम 11th 12th में, आई नो 11th 12th में बच्चे बहुत सफर करते हैं बिकॉज आई मीट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, so I know the pressure. I have been one, you guys have been one. You know there's a lot of pressure in 11th and 12th.
CET, college,
वही होता है ना, तुम्हारा पहला होता है IIT बॉम्बे कंप्यूटर साइंस,
NIT.
फिर IIT वो भी अच्छा है मेगा जम्मू, फिर उसका मेटलर्जी भी खराब ब्रांच तो नहीं है, फिर NIT,
गवर्नमेंट में
फिर
कुछ CS मिल जाए.
फिर अरे CT तो हो जाए. तो वी नो दैट प्रेशर. ठीक है, प्रेशर तो ऐसा चीज है कि दैट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर फॉर योर एंटायर लाइफ, बट इट्स जस्ट की ups and downs. You just have to manage.
So when you face that kind of challenges, how do you overcome that?
कुछ नहीं, पहले तुम 17 18 19 20 21 22 कितने भी साल के हो, आई फील स्लीप इज द मोस्ट ओवररेटेड थिंग ऑफ दिस एंटायर जनरेशन. बोलते हैं 8 घंटा सोना चाहिए, नहीं सोना चाहिए 8 घंटे. मैं बता रहा हूँ 5 to 6 hours ऑफ स्लीप इज मोर देन इनफ. तुम बोलोगे स्टडीज बोलती है, ये बोलती है, वो बोलती है. एक बार हैबिट बना लो, 4 घंटे भी सोने की हैबिट बना लिए ना, दैट इज वेरी गुड. अभी इट्स टाइम टू डू समथिंग, लेट्स गेट डन विथ इट.
So let's end on a sweet note. What will be that one moment you will cherish forever that you've been through in this engineering tenure?
One moment that I'll cherish.
Not one, what is in general you can answer. What are the moments that you will cherish?
So I'm very happy I ended up in IT. And when I look back, I'll be looking at the times I spent with my friends here about, the tiny things that we're laughing about, or us stressing at late night about stupid assignments or whatever, jo bhi ho raha tha. At the end of the day, that's what makes your college life so much interesting. 10 years down the line, you won't remember what you studied in this semester. You will remember what you did with your friends in that semester. So I'd say those moments in general is what I'll remember the most.
I've done a lot of things that I am going to remember. Some of the things I cannot share on camera. But one, मैं आके जो extrovert बना, extrovert बनने के बाद I made a lot of friends. That is one thing I'm going to cherish. थोड़ा जब extrovert बनते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा ऐसा होता है when people know you, you get some confidence. क्योंकि confidence ऐसी चीज़ है ना, without अगर तू चेस में अच्छा है और मैं चेस में ठीक ठाक हूँ, तो तेरे पास वो कॉन्फिडेंस है कि इसको चेस में मैं हरा सकता हूँ. जब तक तेरे पास कोई स्किल नहीं है, तेरे को पता नहीं है कि अरे मैं किसी चीज में अच्छा हूँ या आई एम गुड एट दिस, तो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, कभी नहीं आएगा. कॉन्फिडेंस इज ऑलवेज बैक्ड बाय अ स्किल और एनीथिंग दैट यू नो और यू अर्न. तो एक्सट्रोवर्ट बना, मेड फ्रेंड्स, तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस, डेयरिंग आई कि आई कैन टेक सम क्रूशियल स्टेप्स इन लाइफ, जहाँ पे मतलब इन्वॉल्विंग पीपल या फिर कोई भी XYZ इंसिडेंट हो गए, तो उसमें गेटिंग पीपल ऑन बोर्ड एंड इवेंचुअली दे सपोर्ट यू. सो मैं क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव नहीं हूँ मेरी क्लास का, बट आई एम इन ऑल द ग्रुप्स, क्योंकि पीपल कंसिडर मी एज क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. आई कंसिडर माई, हाँ, अनऑफिशियली छोड़ो, ठीक है. एंड देन पार्टीज, नाइट आउट्स, गैदरिंग्स, असाइनमेंट्स, Literally we have wrote assignments from 10 to 5, 10 to 6. So yeah, majority है assignments लिखना, वो सब करना, everything we will remember. It is just engineering days won't come back. Enjoy your days at graduation. Engineering नहीं तो college में, जिस भी college में जाओ, enjoy करो and learn something.
I really like that answer. So thank you guys for being our guest. We had a great time hosting you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us. It was great. और तुमने कमेटी को ही बुलाया तो अब हमको हो सकता है बोले कि ये लोग कमेटी में बाटर कर रहे हैं, बट ठीक है, it's fine.
So that's it from our side. I hope you guys liked the podcast.
For more such content, you can subscribe to our channel at IET TSEC and go follow our other handles mentioned in the description. Leave a like. Thank you so much.
See ya, guys.
Hello everyone.